Video presented to you by Unique to Billions eLearning. Please subscribe it and press the bell icon. In this video, we are going to discuss some basics of physics for class 9 students. First, we will discuss what is physics. Physics is the study of nature and natural phenomena. Or we can say it is a study of nature and its laws. It is one of the basic disciplines in the category of natural sciences. It is a very interesting subject as it is related to nature and its phenomena. We all are interested to know why some phenomenon occurred and how it occurred. Like in childhood days, we are curious to know how rainbow occurred. These type of questions lead to observations and resulted in understanding nature and its phenomena. This is physics. Study of physics is exciting and has wide scope. Study of physics ranges from the size of an electron or proton or smaller than this to large as galaxies. It is much exciting and interesting subject to study. You can easily find a reason which makes you interested in physics. If you create interest in studying physics, it will be very easy for you. Try to ask questions, observe, understand concepts. This subject will be very easy for you. In remaining part of the video, we are going to understand some basics about physics. Physical quantity. Physical quantity is a property of a material that can be quantified by measurement. For an example, height of a person. Height of a person is a property of that person which can be quantified by measurement. So, height is a physical quantity. Is pen a physical quantity? The answer is no, because we cannot measure pen as such. We can measure the length of the pen. So, length of pen is a physical quantity, not pen. Like that, there are many physical quantities, but not all these are independent. Based on dependency, the physical quantities can be divided into two. They are fundamental quantities or base quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental or base quantities are those quantities which are independent of each other. For an example, length, time, etc. Derived quantities are those quantities which can be derived from fundamental quantities. Example, speed, area, etc. Now, we are going to understand what is units. If I say this person's height is 180, is there any meaning for it? There is no meaning for just saying a number. It must accompany with a base or standard for height. Here I can say this person's height is 180 centimeter. Thus, to measure a physical quantity, we require a base or standard of that quantity. This base or standard used to measure is called unit. So, measurement of physical quantity has two parts, a value and a unit. In this case, 180 is the value and centimeter is the unit. Let us look at two statements. Length of my pen is 10 centimeter. My school is 15 kilometers away from my house. First statement looks fine and complete, because if I measure length of my pen from here to here or from here to here, it will be 10 centimeter. So this statement looks fine and good. But what about the second statement? The second statement looks incomplete. Why? If you just say my school is 15 kilometers away from my house, it can be here, it can be here, or it can be here, like anywhere 15 kilometers away from your house. So you have to specify the exact direction also. If your school is north to your house, you have to specify 15 kilometers away in north direction. So there are two types of quantities. One has only magnitude and the other has magnitude and direction. The quantities which have only magnitude are called scalar quantities, and the quantities which have both magnitude and direction are vector quantities. Scalar quantities are only have magnitude. Vector quantities have magnitude as well as direction. Example for scalar quantities are distance, speed, etc. Example for vector quantities are displacement, velocity, force, etc. We will study about each quantity in their corresponding sections. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. Also, please like and share this video.